Just a quick update about the dandelions. This one is looking extremely healthy. And I did not plant these from seeds at all. All I did was transplant the root and its taproot from the front yard where it was growing wild to my herb bed in the back. And it is very healthy looking. And it's got like 4 or 5 different flowers, so that's a good source for pollinators to forage. And it's getting to the point where we can even start harvesting the greens. It looks like they might not be quite as huge as what you can buy at the store, but I'm sure that they're going to be getting to that point pretty soon. And I did plant these in several spots in the garden just to see which spots it liked and learn a bit more about it. Here's another one. I think the one in the herb bed I was probably giving more water, but this one is looking pretty healthy as well. And there's another one I'm not even going to show you. It was across the yard. It's still alive, but it's more in the shade. And then there's this one too. This bed I need to give more water. But it's surviving, so the tenacity of the so-called weed is not for nothing. So yeah, dandelion, very tenacious herb and quote-unquote weed. It's thriving in some spots here.